Morning! This is Eugen. I'm a management consultant. I completed yoga and Pilates teacher training because staying healthy is so important. Today, let's get you moving to release stress and improve your posture. No equipment needed, we got this. Stand up against the wall, feet hip distance apart. Walk gently. Swing your arms by your side and track your movement. Keep your gaze forward and find the pace that works for you. Our focus now is on waking up your muscles. Step lightly with the top of your foot. Before neutralizing your pelvis, let's check our feet again. I prefer barefoot. Are your second toes in parallel? Lift all 10 toes up and plant them back onto the floor. Bring your hands to your hips. Do you feel the bones at the front? That's the ASIS, and on the thumb is the PSIS. Inhale in through your nose and tilt your pelvis forward and back. Repeat at your own pace. There are two benefits of pelvis rolls: easing lower back pain and strengthening your abs. Roll out your shoulders, engage your core. Extend your collarbones away from your neck. Keeping your gaze forward, arms by your side, palms face the floor. Draw both arms together towards the front, moving slowly through thick honey. Keeping your gaze forwards and relaxing your shoulders. Is your pelvis neutral? As you inhale, focus on the squeeze. Get tall through the crown of your head. This exercise is great for fixing rounded shoulders. You can also use a stretch band or add in weights for an additional challenge. Do you feel the stretch on your upper back and shoulders? Specifically the rhomboids and lats on your back and deltoids on your shoulders. Imagine these muscles activated and focus how the movements feel on your body. Almost there. I do this massage throughout the day. Get your index and middle finger ready. Place them under your earlobes. You'll find a small area behind your jawbone. Apply pressure and begin drawing circles. This lymphatic drainage massage releases tension around your neck. I like to think that it helps depuff my face too. I invite you to massage your shoulders while you are at it. Now let's hold here for 5. And release. Bring your left hand up to your head, applying some pressure. Let the gravity do the work for you. We will do 2 neck stretch variations. So for this one, let's keep our gaze up. You'll feel a nice, delicious stretch on the sides of your neck. And continue to breathe. Now let's bring our gaze down. Guide your nose to your left shoulder. And as you breathe, engage your core, find your center, and let the right hand gently hang by your side, shoulders pressing down towards the floor. Release the tension in a different area. Inhale, expand your ribcage, and exhale out through your mouth. Now let's go on to the other side. You'll notice that one side is more stiff than the other. If that's the case, try adjusting your gaze to find a sweet spot for you. Stretching does seem like not too much, but the benefits add up over time, just like our habits. Moving forward to our next stretch. Gazing below, feel the stretch on the back of your neck. We will continue to hold here. Engage your core to keep your upper body stable. and release. Time to tone your trapezius. Bring your shoulders as high as you can and let go. Let's repeat. Up, 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 and down. Shoulder meets ears, and down. Elevate your shoulders, and release. Shoulders to ears, up and down. 2 more. Down. And last one, make it count. You're done. A modified wall slide. Bring your arms bent at 90 degrees. Wrist on the wall. Slide your arms up just to the point your neck and shoulders stay relaxed. This is the gold standard shoulder exercise, effective at reducing pain and improving alignment. Are you relaxing your shoulders? For modification, you can bend your knees slightly or add small weights. Focus on how the movement feels on your scapula. Check on your ribcage to see that it's not protruding. Are your second toes in parallel? Arms up, grab onto your right hand with your left. Allow your neck to sink into the stretch, letting the gravity do the work for you. For a better balance, engage your core. And this is not a competition. Stop where the stretch feels enough. On to the other side, switch hands or interlace them. Keeping your pelvis neutral, stretch your sides and slide to your right. For a challenge, I invite you to try closing your eyes. I'm still a little stiff, but that's okay. Let's keep going. Using your abs, return to the center. Roll your wrists and let your arms come by your side. You finished! See you on the next habits video for a better you. Stay healthy.